Hello students, so here I'm going to derive a relation between mathematical relation between torque and angular momentum. So as you know that what is torque? Torque is basically the turning effect of force, or we can say that it is the moment of force. Torque is the moment of force, and what about the angular momentum? It is basically the moment of angular moment of linear momentum. It is the moment of linear momentum. So we have to derive the mathematical relation between these two quantities. So let us consider a particle basically. Let us suppose we have a particle of mass m and having having position vector r and having momentum p vector. So we have a particle having at the position r and its momentum is linear momentum is p vector. So basically the relationship for its angular momentum can be written as r vector cross p vector. So then we differentiate the equation with respect to time. So it is dl vector upon dt. So it can be written as d by dt of r vector cross p vector. So dl vector by dt is basically we do the differentiation of r first. We can write dr by dt cross p vector plus then we write r and write it as dp vector upon dt. So after applying the product rule for this differentiation, like dr by dt is basically velocity, so it is velocity cross p vector plus r vector cross dp by dt is basically force from the second law of motion, so dl by dt. So friends, here we can write p vector dl by dt vector is equal to v vector cross p vector, but p vector can be written as mv vector plus r vector cross f vector. So here we have two same vectors and the cross product of two same vectors is 0, as v cross v is basically 0. So we can get dl vector upon dt is equal to r cross f, and r vector cross f vector is basically the expression for torque. So we can say that dl vector upon dt vector is equal to torque. So this is the relationship between torque and angular momentum. Thank you.